Welcome to the assembly video of Gosen Q3 Plus. First, cut open the shipping straps and then proceed to open the box. Inside, you will find two small boxes. First, remove the protective films and foams. Let's see what we have. You can proceed to carefully remove all the safety wrapping from the saddle and set it aside for now. The two small boxes contain a zip bag of tools, pedals, product handbook, binding wire, charging cable and charger. Let's see what we have. Unfold the bike first and make sure the folding mechanism is latched and securely locked. Let's mount the handlebar. Insert the handlebar into the tube. Please note that the top tube should not be stretched upwards beyond the scale line. Then, unscrew the screws on the handlebars and insert the handlebars firmly into the frame. Check that everything lines up and tighten the screws again. Make sure that it aligns with the front tire. You can use the suspension locker to adjust the suspension level based on different terrains and how you like it. Installing the seat is easy. Just open the quick release bolt by opening the lever. Install the seat to the desired level and tighten the quick release bolt again. Great job so far! Now let's install the pedals. The pedals are marked R and L, which stands for the right and left sides of the bike. Carefully screw the pedal in by hand, turning it toward the front of the bike. That's it! Your Gosen e-bike is ready to ride. Insert the key into the lower part of the frame of the bike. Fold the frame of the bike in order to remove the battery. Turn the key to the clockwise and open the lock on the battery to remove it. Replace the battery and fasten the safety lock. Finally, you can press the power button on the left side of your handlebars. Press the button on the side of the control panel to turn on the light. Press the plus or minus button to adjust the pedaling assistance from level 1 to 5. Use the lever on the right-hand side to shift gears. The horn is on the lower left of the handlebars. The battery can be charged on or off the bike with the included charger. The charging socket is located on the battery itself. This video tutorial is only a general guide to assist in the assembly of your bicycle. This is not a complete or comprehensive guide of all aspects of assembly, maintenance, and repair. Contact Gosen Bike Inc. if you have any questions regarding the safe operation, proper assembly, repair, or maintenance of your bicycle. Before every ride, check your e-bike carefully to ensure it is ready to go. Thanks for watching.